Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip crumble cupcakes. These super moist vanilla cupcakes with chocolate buttercream frosting and chocolate chip cookie crumbs reign supreme in the dessert world. Needless to say, they are absolutely the best. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in the kitchen, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on some delicious, soft, moist, vanilla, buttery cupcakes with cookie crumbles. Oh, they're gonna be so good. First up, we're gonna go ahead and whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl and you wanna begin adding in your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt. Then give that a quick little whisk. Once you whisk those all together, go ahead, scoot them over to the side a little bit, grab a larger mixing bowl for your wet ingredients. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and add in our eggs and our sugar. Now take your hand mixer and on a medium speed, you want to go ahead and you want to beat your eggs and your sugar together for a good solid 2 minutes until they're both light and creamy. Once you have that nice light and creamy mixture, you want to go ahead and follow that up by adding in your butter and your vanilla. Then you want to switch your hand mixer to a low speed and beat both the butter and the vanilla into the egg sugar mixture for an additional minute until they are well incorporated. So we have our wet mixture fully incorporated and ready to go, and we have our dry mixture nice and whisked together. Now it's time to go ahead and incorporate them together. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in our dry mixture to our wet mixture. And then we're gonna incorporate all these dry ingredients on that same low speed until they are just combined. And by just combining, we wanna make sure that we're not gonna over mix our batter. And to ensure proper mixing so you don't have a dense, heavy cupcake, you want to go ahead and you want to set your hand mixer to the lowest setting and only mix until the wet and dry ingredients are just combined. Don't forget, some clumps are more than okay. Now that we have our batter just combined, we're gonna go ahead and add in our sour cream. And then, staying on that low speed with our hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and mix the sour cream into our batter until it's just smooth. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have delicious, soft, buttery vanilla cupcakes that are so perfect, but we're gonna make them even more perfect by adding in a bunch of chocolate chip cookie crumbs right in the batter. And we're gonna fold those in with our spatula. After those chocolate chip cookie crumbles are folded in, you want to go ahead and you want to transfer that batter to your cupcake liners. I like to fill mine about 2/3 of the way full with a piping bag to kind of help me prevent any over baking or under baking, and helps me get a nice perfectly baked cupcake every single time. Once your liners are all filled up, you want to go ahead, take your cupcake pan, pop it in the oven, and let bake for a quick 18 to 20 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes are baked, they've cooled, I let them hang out in the cupcake pan for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to go ahead and top with some delicious, smooth, fluffy chocolate buttercream, because my kitchen smells like chocolate chip cookies and vanilla cupcakes, and I want one of these like right now. So let's go ahead and we're gonna pipe on a generous amount of chocolate buttercream onto each and every single cupcake. And after you top with some chocolate buttercream, you have a delicious vanilla, buttery, fluffy, moist, so good vanilla cupcake with chocolate chip cookie crumbles right inside that batter, and smooth, delicious chocolate buttercream. You can even top with chocolate chip cookie crumbles right on top of the cupcake. I was gonna do that. I don't have any left because I was eating them. It was so good. But definitely give it a try, and let me know what you think down below in the comments. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these chocolate chip cookie crumble cupcakes. If you're a fan of chocolate chip cookies or vanilla cupcakes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. Plus, after you give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. So you don't miss out on any more yummy chocolate chip, maybe chocolate chip cookie desserts I've got coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. And don't forget, if you make your own delicious chocolate chip cookie crumble cupcakes, I can say that 3 times fast. That's a chocolate chip cookie crumble cupcake, chocolate chip cookie, chocolate. If you make your own chocolate chip cookie crumble cupcakes, don't forget to give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna grab 2 cupcakes. I'm not gonna lie, yes 2. Enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same, and as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.